In this lesson, I will explain to you about access substrings by step size. So see, the focus is on the step size. Before going to discuss step size, I will quickly review strings with you. Strings are the sequence of characters, and always you have to use quotation. Right, so Shehnila is the name. This is the string sequence of characters. So it is a rule of Python that we have to mention single quotation or double quotation. So this is the strings. Now what is the meaning of the step size? Because we are learning step size here. If we want every other character in the string or some other intervals of characters, we use step size. Now, what is the meaning of this? Suppose this is the string Shehnila. If we want every other character, we want S, and then we want A, then we want, and we are skipping one. Or if you want, you can skip two. If you want, you can skip three. So if we want every other character in a string or some other interval, we use the step size. Before going to start this example, first I will explain to you these 3 points. See, keep in mind that always index you have to mention in a square bracket, and this is the square bracket. There is a colon sign. It means we didn't assign any starting value or the end value. If we do not assign any value, returns the entire string. Your output will be the entire string. See this one, these are 2 times colon. This means step. Here we are taking the step. We want every other character, and the starting point is not assigned. It means it will start from the first character or zero index, returns the first character, and then steps to every other character in the string. So 2 colon sign means this is the sign we use for stepping, step size. Here 1 and then 2 times colon means you have to start from 1, and which is 1, S or H? H is the 1 because index always start from S. Sorry, always start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So H is 1. It will start from 1, sorry, H, and then it will skip 2. A and H will skip and will print. Then these two will skip, next will print. Right, so I will show here now. This is the first example. Student underscore name is Shehnila. Print student name, variable name, and in the square bracket there is only colon. Here I didn't assign any starting value or ending value. It means complete string. Complete string will come up. See Shehnila. Returns all. Here I have put a comment as well. It will return all if we didn't assign the starting or ending value. Here, do not consider that this is the ending value. There are 2 times colon. It means this represents step. Right, come to the second. Here 1 is 2. Okay, first I will make it 2. Then we will come to the 3. Step 2 we want. So there is no value, no starting value. It means it will start from the first character, which is the 0 index S. Then it will skip H, A will come, skip H and will come. Similarly, it will skip E, and this E will come, it will skip L, and A will print. So see here, this is S A N E A. Same thing if you want to skip 2 and then every third character if you want to print, but here again we didn't assign any value. Again it will start from S, and see now it is she because it start from here, then skip 2 and then H, and then skip 2 and E, and then skip 2, and there is nothing, so it will stop here. So returns every other. Right, now come to the third example. Here I have assigned 1. It will start from 1, but which is 1, S or H? So again, do not say S because in index always start from 0. This is 0 index, this is 1. So it will start from H, and then it will skip 2. Every third is starting at the second character, right? It will start from H. So I will show you how it will show the result. H, and then skip these two and these two and L. Same thing, if you want, you can skip like this, whatever you want. Start from, then it is only he. It will start from this H and 1, 2, 3, E, 1, 2, 3, and we do not have any more characters here. If you want to start from S, then you have to put 0 because 0 is the first, this one index. So see how it will come up. Then this, right? Okay, now come to the last example. Here, word is acknowledgement, long word here. Print word 0 to 10. See here, this represents the steps. But here is 3 times 0 is to 10 is to 2. So first 2 represent the range. This is the long word. We do not want this long word. We want only 10 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till here. In this slice, we want every other character. So first two represent the range and the last represent the step. So it will start from A and then K and then O and then L. So see how it will come up. A, K, O, L, D. It will consider only 0 to 10. It will not complete till the end. Same thing, if I want to make it 12, if I say I want till 12 characters. So first is 0 to 12. Okay, I will make it 1. So 1 means it will start from C now because this is 0 index, this is 1. 1 to 12, and then 1 to 12 range we need every other character. So see, it will end till M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will stop here, starting from 1, but in this range, we want every other. If it is 3 times like this, so first 2 represent the range and the third one represents the interval. So if you want, you can make it 3 interval. So see, and these things we will use in programming. So in this lesson, we have learned how to access substring by step size. And this 2 times colon usually we use for the step size. If still any point is not clear, without any hesitation, you can ask me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.